and welcome to Esg Tv. I'm your host, Carla Fleur. Esg Tv is a regular series designed to keep you up to date on our newest content, all of which can be found on our website. Well, trade show season may be winding down, but that hasn't slowed down ESG senior analyst Mark Peters, who, along with his ESG colleagues, seems to have been everywhere the past several months. This time, Mark and senior analyst Jason Buffington were in Colorado for Spectralogic's Spectra Summit 2013 event. Here's a brief preview of the video, which can be viewed in its entirety on ESG's website and includes an interview with Spectralogic EVP Molly Rector.
Just a couple of days ago now, although much nicer weather than today, was Spectra's Analyst event. Now, what did I expect? I guess state of the tape industry, Spectra's progress, new products. What we got was something really surprising and potentially quite profound. So what follows are some video notes from the conference, and to kick things off is my colleague Jason Buffington.
Most people are still struggling with where tape should or should not fit within their overall data protection, backup, archiving infrastructure. So we got to cross a bridge and figure out how to get them together. And it turns out Spectra built the bridge. They took S3, something that most developers know how to work with, and they added sequential access methods and bulk access methods, the two things that tape need to work. And what they've come up with is DS3. And it's a way for technologies that know how to talk to S3 to leverage tape in new and interesting ways. That's going to be really cool to watch over 2014. Hats off to Spectra.
With that in mind, I then spoke to Molly Rector, Spectra's worldwide EVP of Product Management and Marketing, about what DS3 really is and also its first implementation from Spectra, which is called Black Pearl. Complexity and management costs money, so now they're taking that cost down as well as the cost of the actual media and storage. You put those two things together and deep storage really is a very attractive economic proposition. And it's economics that, after all, at the end of the day, rule everything that we do in storage.
ESG's recently released content available to subscribers includes Jennifer Gom's research brief on data protection staffing trends, which focuses on the growing number of administrators managing data protection environments and the total amount of data residing on those systems. In addition, check out this brief by senior analyst Terry McClure on 710 Store First EAS, a holistic information management solution. To achieve true agility, IT organizations need to be unshackled from the confines imposed upon them by their storage systems. They need to be able to make changes to the storage layer without impacting applications, data protection, or data access. That requires an information management layer, and that is just what 710 offers with Store First EAS. ESG content available to all viewers includes a report by Vinny Chewinski and Carrie Dolan that documents ESG's hands-on testing of Dell DR4100 disk backup appliance with Dell NetVault backup software, including the product's ease of use, performance, and capacity savings. ESG Labs' Tony Palmer also completed a lab validation report on HP's 3-PAR StoreServe 7450 storage, with a focus on application acceleration, autonomic simplicity, efficient unified storage, and resilience for organizations with Tier 0 performance requirements. Also available is a lab validation report by Aviv Kaufman and Mike Leone on Nexenta VSA for VMware Horizon View. The report focuses on the simplicity of installing and deploying an NV4V while maintaining a high level of manageability through an intuitive web interface. And finally, take a look at a second lab validation report from Vinny and Carrie on Avere FXT, which documents testing of Avere's FXT Series Edge filer with an AOS 3.0 operating environment. You can find all of this content in a wealth of previously published blogs, research, and lab validations on the ESG website. If you are interested in our subscription-based content, or you have comments, feedback, or ideas for our program, just send us an email. And remember to check back for future updates at ESG TV. Until next time, I'm Carla Fleur.